Hello guys, meeting you after a long time, and I apologize for not uploading videos from past 2 months. In this video, we are going to make changing tracks. This video is going to be special, so watch till end and let's get started. For that I am using a rule sheet paper and draw a line and mark 29 millimeters on both the sides for a perfect parallel line. By leaving 3 lines, draw slanting lines on both the sides and mark 29 millimeters on the slanting lines too. Now join all the lines by a curved line. Remember to keep all the curved line parallel. Now erase the crossing and draw wing rail. And draw check rail on both the sides. And erase the switching part and draw toe and heel and a switch. Divide the track into 2 halves and arrange the sleepers except for the mechanism part. Now mark the mechanism part and keep the slipper on it and draw the middle line. Cut the middle line on the slipper. You get results like this. Do the same for all the sleepers. Now stick both the sleepers together. Now it's time to make V-shaped tracks. Mark the length of the track and cut it. And make such 2 lines. Now cut the edges on both the tracks. And smoothen it by sandpaper. And stick the V-shaped track. Now stick all the sleepers on the paper. It will be easy for us to make the further step. Leave a little gap for the switch. Keep all the sleepers in a correct manner and stick the V-shaped track. Do this work very patiently. Now it's time to stick the side rails. Stick the rails by checking the gauge of your track. Now bend it a little bit and stick it thoroughly. Now cut the excess part of the rail. Now do the same for the another part. Now remove all the excess paper from the back. And cut the excess rail off. Now the main structure is ready. Keep the wheel and check whether it is moving freely. I am drawing the wing rail on the tracks. For the wing rail, I am using a piece of sunboard. I am making it a little thinner. Do the structure as shown. And cut the excess part off. Make the edges sharper. And reduce the height of the sharpness. Check whether the wing rail is perfect. Make such two parts. Now it's time to stick the wing rails. Stick the wing rails as I have shown. Leave a little movable space. Do the same for another wing rail. Check both the wing rails if it is moving perfectly. Now it's time to stick the switches. Stick the switches only for the toe and the heel. It should move like this. And do the same for another one. Now the switch part is ready. It's time to stick the chuck rails. I have bent it at the both sides and stick the chuck rail by leaving a little space. Do the same for the another side. Now your tracks are ready. If you like this video, please hit the like button and share it with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.